What's going on?
I'm not sure. Wanted to film it, you need to explain.
So we got some packages from my mom. As far as we knew, we were expecting one package, yeah? Or?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna see what happens.
I need to check again. Is it for me? What is it?
What the... That's not for us, is it?
Hey, it is from Annalena. It's written here.
Was?
It's drugs! It's all full of drugs. What is it?
Diarrhea medicine. This is interesting and definitely some kind of mistake.
This is not for us. Well,
We just double checked. It's the wrong name. It's not my mom.
it's not coming from his mom.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to be here. It's like diarrhea medicine. But I need to say, for me personally, it's really funny because I made this kind of experience all the time with the Swedish post.
You keep hearing people complaining about every kind of service there is, but when it comes to the recent years changes in Swedish postal systems, they were all changed to a Danish company. There have been numerous and countless situations like these. Actually, there's even been businesses closing down because they gave up because they couldn't trust the post.
That's the same.
Oh no. So this is the only one for us?
Why is he coming to Germany? Or is it also the same inside? Now I want to know. I'm opening it now anyway.
Okay.
There's my name on it.
So technically we're not doing anything illegal at least, that's good.
Yep.
It's the same.
But it's not diarrhea.
Maybe we should try the medicine then and make a review. For Barn. Yeah, it's the same.
Oh.
It's a children diarrhea medicine.
Oh, maybe that poor child needs that.
Someone is really fucking sick. Let's hope the last box is for us.
Lord. That looks like a package from Annalena.
That explains so much regarding the costs, by the way. Jessica Henseler. Oh, we don't have to do that. Anyway, it's correct.
Well done. Oh,
That's for... Oh,
that doesn't sound good.
oh, fucking hell! And just for the record, Sweden is a socialist country and the government and the people used to own the post, yeah? That's how it used to work. Then we changed our politics and everything in this kind of business went private. So it's been businesses running it instead. I'm just saying, pay your taxes and be happy. It's usually for the good.
Paper! Thank you, Annalena. I always wanted to have Swedish newspapers.
It would be so fun if it was actually an article about the post. Swedish businesses takes over of hockey pro. Okay. No. Okay, let's... Careful in case there's actually glass. Oh. I have coffee. I have some coffee. So, okay. I'm gonna remember to thank for this. And this is for dinner later. Sweet. Okay.
It's for different, with a pirate hat, a pirate ship.
Then that's for us.
Yes.
I guess then private stuff.
Yeah, that's for you.
Is it all private or is it merchandise or what's going on?
Parties.
Oh yeah, something is broken here. Oh no. Yeah, careful then. There's more food. What's that?
Looks like a cup.
We like cups.
Of course.
I should bring that to work now and compete with Jochen. That's interesting. Wait, look at his hair. That's what it is.
So there's one thing standing. Gratis. Why is it gratis? You don't like it?
I don't know what that means.
Maybe it was not good enough. So, this.
You want to show what it is?
It's the second edition of the Banish Breviteers glasses.
Yeah, it's hard to see in this video, but wait, that's a good angle right there. See? And this is then the logo from our second album, which makes it the second edition. It's actually a new design.
Yup. Cool.
So, and that's it. Then we'll just put the glasses back here and we'll figure out later.
But in
what's
case,
broken.
Anna-Lena, you sent us more than one package. We got this instead. Maybe we should find out who poor person is not getting their medicine, but for that, some other stuff.
I'm looking forward to this extra work. Yeah, care to make a short version of your experiences back home in Sweden? Post.
Oh yeah. For example, I always get study stuff for school, and
expensive stuff.
It's really expensive, and I also have to sign when I'll receive it because they really need my signature to prove I got it because it's really expensive. So, and also in the Swedish, it's not like in Germany you get everything home. Often you get it to a post station. So, and there you have to pick it up. So I did that, and then it was gone already, and I was like, who picked it up? Whatever. It was really weird. And then Jim's neighbor came. I got that letter and I thought it's for my ex or something.
Because it was for her name.
Because it was for her name, but it seems like it's German stuff. The only German living in this house are you, so might be yours.
And on the package
was the name of
was
his girlfriend.
your address,
yeah.
And it was crossed over, and they had written her address.
I mean, just like here now, because there's the real receiver person on it.
Why do they keep doing this? We even called them because this happened twice.
Yeah.
We called this postal service and we asked, why is this happening? Even if I'm not mad at you guys, I think we need to explain it to you that it's happening so you can stop doing it. It's a problem. And they were like, that shouldn't happen. We don't know what that happened. They're still doing it, so clearly they had some kind of weird routine for this, and it is. Anyway, danke, Mama.
Danke.